The reason this video exists is a viewer comment. They got career ops running, then hit the dashboard step and asked the real questions. What do I do after setup? Does it work for LinkedIn and Indeed? How do I use the agent? That is the difference between a repo review and a useful tutorial. The setup is not the win. The win is one job scanned, scored, tracked, and ready for a human to review before applying. The source is Sanifer/CareerOps. The README says CareerOps turns an AI coding CLI into a job search command center. It can evaluate offers with structured scoring, generate tailored PDFs, scan portals, process batches, and track everything in a single pipeline. The important caveat is that it is not a spray and pray tool. It is a filter and preparation system. It does not remove human judgment, and it does not submit applications while you sleep. Here is the clean path. Clone the repository. Enter the folder. Run npm install. Install Playwright Chromium because PDF and browser work depend on it. Copy the profile example to config profile.yml. Copy the portals example to portals.yml. Add your CV as cv.md in the project root. Then run the verification scripts before opening any agent. If the profile, CV, or portals are wrong, the agent will faithfully automate the wrong workflow. For Cursor, the practical route is simple. Open the CareerOps folder as the project root and use Cursor Terminal to run the same install and verification commands. Keep profile.yml, portals.yml, and cv.md inside that workspace. For Codex, be careful with the claim. The README badges show Claude Code, OpenCode, Gemini CLI, and Codex marked as soon. So a Codex version should be framed as an adaptation or experiment unless the current repo has landed full Codex support. That honesty matters. The dashboard confusion is normal. The setup guide says Go is optional for the dashboard TUI. If you want it, go into the dashboard folder, build the career dashboard binary, then run it with the project path. For LinkedIn and Indeed, do not pretend the agent has magic permission. Those sites have authentication, anti-automation, and account risk boundaries. The safe day one workflow is scan sources you control or public portals, evaluate jobs, generate a tailored CV or prep notes, update the tracker, and then apply manually. This is the part that should be said earlier in every video. Open source means the code is free to inspect and run. It does not mean every model call is free. Claude Code, Gemini CLI, API keys, local models, and browser automation are separate decisions with separate limits. If you are a beginner, do one job end-to-end first. Do not batch 50 applications. Prove the profile, score, PDF, tracker entry, and manual apply path once. Then scale slowly. The first real proof state is not a flashy dashboard. It is one job evaluated, one tailored PDF generated, one tracker entry updated, and a human review before submission. If a tutorial cannot get you to that point, it is not finished. That is the standard for CareerOps content going forward, from clean clone to first useful job workflow, with cost, auth, and dashboard caveats visible on screen. The first thing I would check is not the agent. I would check the inputs. If profile.yml is copied, but still generic, the system has no useful target. If cv.md is missing or stale, the generated documents are already wrong. If portals.yml points to places you do not use, the scan path is noise. So the serious setup path is boring on purpose. Open the repo root. Confirm the profile file. Confirm the CV file. Confirm the portals file. Then run the verify pipeline script. Only after that should Cursor or an AI coding CLI touch the workflow. For LinkedIn and Indeed, the honest answer is that browser authentication and platform rules matter. A job search agent can help evaluate a posting, organize notes, and prepare tailored material. It should not be described as a guaranteed auto-apply machine across every job board. The safe workflow is to let the agent scan or structure the opportunity, use the score to decide whether it is worth your time, generate or draft the tailored document, and then manually review before applying. That is slower than hype, but it prevents account risk, garbage applications, and wrong claims in the video. The day one proof state is concrete. One job description goes in. The agent produces one evaluation, one useful score, one tailored output, and one tracker entry. Then a human checks it before any application is sent. That is the difference between showing a repo and showing a workflow. If a viewer can pause this video, copy the setup path, verify the files, and reach that first proof state, the video did its job. Everything after that is scale, batches, dashboards, and deeper automation.